Which one's full? Top?
Top.
Whoa, 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 stop, 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 stop. Shoot, grab me that, grab me that. Put your finger. All right, so today we got a little project here. This is our Super C. There's a few things we got to do to it. Number one is the oil pan, the little pepcocks that you twist out to check oil levels. One of them is snapped off, and also the air cleaner here has a pinhole underneath, so we're going to see if we can fix that. If not, we'll have to order a new one. So yeah, let's drain all the oil out and get that pepcock replaced. Put a new gasket on it and send it out. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, so as you can see right here, that this piece is broken off on this one. So what we're gonna have to do is drop this oil pan down and get that replaced. So yeah, let's get the oil drained out and drop that pan. Man. Ooh. That does not look good. Yeah, here's the oil that came out of that. Not very good. Like water. Alright, it's pretty much stopped dripping, so get some sockets, get this pan off here. Oh man, that's disgusting. So here's the oil pan. I don't think it's supposed to look like that. So get that cleaned out. Get this, one of these two changed out. Oh, there it is. Oh man, that's thick.
That's not blowing into your eyes, is it?
No. Oh, now it is.
Alright, I'm done. I just want to make sure that screen's clean. Let that drip out.
Let me see that for a minute.
You have a filter.
All right, much better. Nice and clean. Good thing we took the pan off.
Go back and forth.
I don't think we really had to.
Right? But we did.
Do we want to put some...
Get the thing loosened. Oh, you already did? The petcock so it turns. You want some tape or?
I don't know.
Or do you want just pipe build?
I mean, they're NPT, so they should tighten on themselves, but... But it also needs to point down. I always do this backwards.
Yeah, I know. You're like, oh, it goes this way, and then you put it on. Oh, son of a bitch. Run the frickin' way. Only one time around. When I drove wells for Dick DeBoer, he was always like, people put too much of this stuff on. Sometimes that makes it leak. Is the gasket off?
No. This one we should probably take off and... This one opens like really, really far compared to the other one.
Yeah, that's why I opened that up. Get some brake clean in there.
All right. Clean.
The H still has this. When you put these on, once you get them down kind of snug, spin them so they seat that rubber gasket. Damn it.
Did you crack those?
Huh?
What?
Did you crack the things on the oil pan to see when
Which one's full? Top?
top?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stop, 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 stop! Shoot! Grab me that! Grab me that!
Put your finger in there. Get that on. Record that.
Forgot to put the drain plug in.
I did that with my pickup once when I was a kid. I literally dumped all the oil in it until it started running out by my feet. I was like, no!
Next is the oil bath air cleaner. I don't know if you can see that. Where I circled pinholes.
Want to probably clean it off and dapping a little MIG on it?
And I don't know.
Or JB Weld?
Probably a JB Weld.
That ready?
Yeah.
JB Weld is alright as long as there's no pressure. That's just an air cleaner, so that ought to work. Tomorrow I'll check it and maybe I'll hit it with a little paint.
Alright, let that dry. Put it back on. Alright, well that concludes this video. So we got the new Pepcock in and changed the oil, cleaned the oil pan out, did all that. And we got the JB Weld setting up on the oil bath air cleaner. I know it's not the best solution, but we'll see if it works. If it doesn't, we'll just go ahead and order a new one. But other than that, this thing's ready to go. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and we'll catch you on the next one.